How to retire in Mexico, a quick step-by-step guide dreaming of sunny beaches, vibrant culture, and a lifestyle you can afford. Retiring in Mexico might just be your perfect escape. Stick around, and I'll show you exactly how to make it happen in a few easy steps. Why Mexico? Mexico is one of the top retirement destinations, and here's why: affordable living, world-class healthcare, and a warm, welcoming culture. You can live comfortably on $1,500 to $2,000 per month, and healthcare is high quality yet affordable. Add in the amazing food and sunny weather, and it's hard to resist. Choosing the right visa to retire in Mexico, you'll need either a temporary or permanent resident visa. A temporary visa is valid for up to 4 years, while the permanent visa lets you stay indefinitely. Financially, for a temporary visa, you'll need about $2,500 monthly income or $40,000 in savings. For a permanent visa, it's a bit higher, around $4,200 income or $170,000 savings. How to apply? First, visit your local Mexican consulate. Bring your passport, proof of finances, and completed application form. Once approved, you'll get a visa sticker in your passport. When you arrive in Mexico, you have 30 days to visit an immigration office to finalize your residency and get your official card. Where to retire? Mexico offers something for everyone. Prefer the beach? Check out Cancun or Puerto Vallarta. If you love cooler weather and rich culture, San Miguel de Allende or Ajijic near Lake Chapala are great options. Take some time to explore before you decide. Embracing the lifestyle. Retiring in Mexico isn't just about affordability, it's about enjoying life. Learn a bit of Spanish, join local communities, and dive into the vibrant culture. Retirement here is about connection, relaxation, and fun. Retiring in Mexico is easier than you think. With its affordability, stunning scenery, and friendly atmosphere, it could be the perfect place for your next chapter. If you're excited about this idea, like, subscribe, and share this video with someone planning their dream retirement. And let us know in the comments, where in Mexico would you love to retire?